Hello, how you doing? We're going to cook some liver today. I'm using beef liver. We're just going to really quickly fry it in a pan with a few little bits. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got 500 grams or about a pound of beef liver. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into thin strips and put it into a bowl, and then we're going to add some other things in the bowl and quickly fry it off. It's very simple. So I've now cut that into kind of thin slices. Now some people would say soak it in milk, put some water in it with vinegar, something like that. This is a really nice fresh liver. I don't see any need to do it, but if you want, you can do it. We're going to add some other bits into that bowl. So we're going to add half a cup of chopped tomato, half a cup of onion, all cut nice and small. We're going to get some salt in the mix and some black pepper. I'm going to add a teaspoon each here of chili powder, cumin and coriander, and then quarter cup of oil, which will bring it all together. Very simply, we're going to give that a little mix, and then we're going to get that on the cooker. Okay, so frying pan, a skillet, something like that. What we're going to do is the heat's on. I'm getting that hot, because we're now going to drop all this in. You don't need to put any oil in there. We have oil here already. And very simply, about 5 or 6 minutes on a high heat, we're going to be frying this around. Okay, off goes the heat, job done, that's it, really simple, delicious. Now you could have added some garlic to this if you want. If you want, get a little bit of parsley or coriander in there. I'm going to go just like that today. So what I like to do with that is have that in a sandwich or something like that with some tahina or tahini. A little bit of kind of, lettuce and stuff like that. That's how I eat it, but you can eat it just like that. It's really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.